Hello students, welcome in today's session. Today we are going to talk about once again array, but in today's program we will be understanding that how to go for input for the declared array. So let's see that using program. Let's declare one array. Let's keep since we are going to do 5 values, so we have to give first value 0, then last value 4, then I plus. Let's go for scanf. Let's copy this to print the value. Let's save it. Let's run the program. So asking for the values, let's enter 5 values. Suppose 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3. We can see all the values are printed. 2, 3, 4, 12, 23. So this is how we can input the values using array. Loop is must. Without loop it is difficult to input the value. So what we have to do there, depending upon the total number of values we want to input, we have to run the loop. Since its size is 5, so we have to run the loop 5 times, and we know that array starts from 0, so put the value 0, and it reaches up to value 1 less than index value, that is 5, that is 4, so 0 to 4, and inside that use the input function scanf, and again repeat the same process, printf values are, and instead of scanf write printf. So that's all, and some other programs we can also write in same way as we did this program. I hope you understood this program. If you have any confusion, just let me know. Thank you.